How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Shopify app called Shineon, which is a print-on-demand business. Throughout the video, we'll be talking about the pros and cons, the key features and fundamentals, as well as how to integrate it into your store, how to install it, and how to use Shineon. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So if you guys are running a Shopify store that's using the business model of print-on-demand, then you've probably heard of Shineon. And in the past, if you've used anything like Printify or Gelato, for example, then you guys will be right at home. And the reason for that is because it uses the same format in principle of print on demand, but only Shineon was actually made with Shopify in mind. So this means that this app actually integrates with Shopify with no problem. Everything that was used to design Shineon is meant to synergize with Shopify's interface. So to show you guys what I mean, let's first talk about Shineon, and I'll be giving you guys a quick overview so you have a bit of insight on what exactly you're dealing with. So let's begin. So Shineon is more than just an e-commerce platform. It's a movement aimed towards getting your brand out as well as unleashing your creativity. And the whole idea is to provide seamless solutions that enable merchants as well as manufacturers and consumers to design and personalize their own products, and for you guys to make money out of said conversions. So with Shineon's integration into Shopify, merchants as well as store owners gain access to a treasure trove of tools and resources designed to streamline the entire product creation process. So this can range from stuff like jewelry, accessories, apparel, home decor, and the possibilities are pretty much endless. So Shineon has completely transformed a lot of Shopify stores with their easy-to-use platform and high-quality products. By using this app, you guys are able to offer your customer base unique personalized items that they can't find anywhere else. And this is because they have the full flexibility and freedom to actually customize their own products. So the idea here is, as you guys would have guessed it, since it's a print-on-demand business, they basically select a design from your website, from the templates or whatever, or they can upload their own image and slap it on to a blank canvas like a t-shirt or a hoodie or maybe a mug, a coffee mug, whatever. And that's pretty much the whole idea. Now, let's talk about how exactly Shineon differentiates itself from other e-commerce platforms. So the main thing that sets Shineon apart is its unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. So Shineon has invested heavily in state-of-the-art technology when it comes to manufacturing processes to ensure that every product meets the highest standards. Additionally, their dedication to their customers' satisfaction puts them up there among the pioneers. And I will say that Shineon is constantly listening to the feedback of their audience as well as their customer base, and they adapt to this feedback and change their platform accordingly. And with Shineon, apart from the obvious things like having access to print-on-demand companies or suppliers within across the globe for t-shirts as well as designs, Shineon offers their customers creativity and truly unique products that resonate with them on a personal level. Whether it's a custom necklace or commemorating a special occasion or a personalized mug celebrating a milestone, Shineon helps Shopify stores create moments that matter. So let's now talk about how to integrate Shineon into your Shopify store. So the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify store manager as an administrator. So it's this one right here. The URL goes admin.shopify.com. So once you guys are on the dashboard, like where I'm at right now, there are two ways to get access to the Shopify App Store, which is where we're looking to go to. So you can either click on apps like so and click on app and sales channel, or you could simply click on the search bar at the very top of the screen like so and just type down Shineon. And you can see right away that this is the app right here, but let's actually do it from the sales channel. So you click on this, we'd be redirected to this page, and here we can manage all of our installed applications for our Shopify store. Now, here it is. You want to click on Shopify App Store, And this is going to pull up a list of all of the compatible plugins and tools and apps that you can integrate with your Shopify. So if you don't see Shineon right away, you guys can actually click on the search bar as normal and just type down Shineon. Okay, so here it is, print on demand. So, actually, it's pretty much the same thing, so it doesn't really matter. So Shineon, print on demand. And the cool thing about Shopify apps is, while they do offer a free plan, there are also paid packages which come with more features, goes without saying. And but for the purposes of this video, we're going to go with the free plan, and it pretty much gets you all of the fundamentals. Just note that it doesn't come with all of the bells and whistles that you would normally get if you were to go with a paid plan, as you can see here. So with the free plan, you get a high margin personalized line of products, stunning mockups, live chat support, super fast shipping from the US and the EU or Europe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's go ahead and install this. So here we are. I'm gonna wait for it to load. Now normally when we get redirected to our website, it would ask us to sign up, but I don't think that's the case for Shineon, as you can see here. So all we're going to do is authorize Shineon to integrate with our Shopify store, like so. Okay, so it looks like we do need to sign up. Okay, so here's what the dashboard looks like. So once we've signed up for an account for Shineon, here's what it looks like. Whenever you guys go to your applications list, let's say your app and sales channel, and you open Shineon, like so, you'd be redirected to this page right here, where you get to fully customize all of your products and catalog lines. So let's actually do one from scratch. Okay, let's create a new product. Let's do apparel. Actually, let's do necklaces. Let's do a simple pendant. Actually, you know what? Let's go for men's. Cuban chain link. Oh, okay, let's go for this one. We can configure the color or upload like an image of what we want to engrave or add to our necklace, and hit save or publish, and we are done. So yeah, there you guys go. That's Shineon in a nutshell. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.